back out. Another walk, Galloway Forest. So, camping again tonight, Scottish Wanderer, bugsey. So, cracking wee spot again. So, get a fire going. Get some to eat. Got the tents up, all three of the tents are up. So that's just kind of us sitting down. Got here a wee bit later tonight, but should be a good night. Don't think it's to rain. Well, hopefully not. It'll be nice tomorrow. So hopefully we'll get a nice sunrise and that. So we'll bring you back later. Right. Stuart's going to get the fishing rod out. He's going to try and catch some fish. What do you think? Get your boats in now! Right, that's the night getting on. Now, we'll get the fire on. Probably start cooking soon. The rain's been coming down a wee bit, but it's not a bit of rain. So hopefully we'll get a good wee fire going, get something decent to eat. No kayak tonight, never brought a kayak out. So, hey ho, just have to get the fire going, get some cooking. I think Stuart's trying to kind of beat me at the cooking here. I think he's got it was supposed to be roast beef, but tonight I think we're having roast pork, roast potatoes, etc, etc. So that should taste good, all cooked in the Dutch oven. So I'll bring you back once we're down at the camp spot, once the fire's going a wee bit more. Looks as if it's kind of blazing away there, but we're going to get the roast pork on, like I say, Dutch oven. Can't wait it, can't beat it, can't beat it.
That crispy on the lamb chop. Are you the same?
Oh, let's kick the night.
Yeah. People say you shouldn't cook it to... I like mine overdone, probably. They are. I like them.
Got a whole
all the fat crispy and quite
pork.
salty actually on the lamb chop.
Cook that down.
See when you cook a steak, yeah, they say that you're meant to cook it blue and all that stuff. I like mine burnt. Well, do you know what? I can have it either way. Sometimes I like a rare
good
one.
night.
Sometimes I can take one that's almost... Did you show Bugsey, Colin?
Yes, there's Bugsey.
If Derek's watching...
Scottish Wanderer, aye.
Don't bring up my spot. Props the prepper.
Oh, yeah.
You're really stirring it now. You know what I mean? You need to stop.
Right. He's not bullying.
Don't show the tears.
No,
Don't
right.
show the tears. That's the smoke.
Mark, you know you love these videos for the comedy factor. You really do, don't you? Get your boots in now! Right, it's cooking tonight. Oh, there's Bugsy getting pork chops on. They're looking good. Lamb chops, lamb chops. Sizzling.
You sure, man, Bugsy?
Of course. There's another 40 going there, I can only fit 4 in it. No. We're sharing this evening.
And what have we got in here? We've got...
Oh, wait there.
Wait a minute, we'll open it up for you.
I'll give you a look.
That's normal.
I've got the thermostat.
We'll not go hungry. Stuart's prepared.
Temperature, right?
So we're not going to get any food poisoning like Stuart gave himself the other week. Right?
That was that jambalaya.
Right.
Oh, is that over the top cooking there?
That's what we're talking about.
Oh, mine!
Check that bad boy.
I was going to do roast beef, but I ended up deciding to do roast pork. But we'll do roast beef at one point, won't we? Colin's convinced me to bring this Dutch oven more, so...
Oh yes. Got to get the Dutch oven out. Right folks, we've got the fire on. Right, and the Scottish Wanderer says I don't put Brian in my videos.
Brian's never in them. Brian's the real chef, guys, right? So, I like to stir the pot here.
Here's the real chef, right? You know Stuart's kidding on, right?
No, I'm being honest.
No,
Brian's the real chef.
He isn't, right?
Because
he messaged me. I was like, I'll get the roast beef this week. No. He said, I'll get it. And I'll get the roast ties. I'll get... Because I want the... Get your votes in now! He wants the votes, right? So, when the cooking's happening tonight, I can't tell a lie. So when you want to put your votes in tonight, it's between Bugsey. He's cooked a nice crispy lamb chops. I was about to say pork chops there, but lamb chops. And now the roast pork is cooking. So,
Get your votes
get
in,
your
guys.
votes in now.
Don't be voting for that Colin.
No,
It's
no,
me or Brian.
vote for me. Vote for me.
No, no.
Right, I'm going to switch off now. Vote for me.
No.
Right, here's the hot coals going in the lid. All your complainers out there, they like to put their coals in the lid, so we're going to give that a bash this week. See if it gives it an all round. Not complaining, it's a bit of constructive criticism. Yeah, but hopefully that'll give it an all round cook. Just we put the coals on the top.
Just to say, it's Brian.
Oh, look at this. Right, roast pork tonight.
No,
Check that out.
no,
Now,
no.
oh, we're going squinty there. Yeah, few parsnips. Stuart's got the roast tatties in. Don't let him tell you that he's cooked it all.
It was Brian.
It was Brian.
Yeah,
Yes,
it was me.
there's Brian.
Yay.
So,
Yeah, it was Brian.
it was Brian. Right, but anyway, look at that. That now looks superb. As the handsome stranger says, wish you were here.
Well, wish you were here, Derek. But remember, we're not allowed to talk about Derek because
Oh no, as the handsome stranger says, friend request denied.
so
Right,
there's the inner temperature. We're hoping for 70.
51.
At the
Oh,
moment,
it's coming along. Parsnips in, cook away, kind of boil down a wee bit. I said boil, there's no water in it, but hey ho. And then roast patties in along with that. I bet you some folk don't even get that kind of food in the house. Oh, check that out. A few new potatoes in about it. Oh, it's just sizzling away. It's all Stuart's. I want a bit.
It's 10 past 10 at night.
Dinner time.
Dinner time, guys. So we've got the Yorkshire puddings in as well. Thanks to Bugsey. But
Right, still doing it.
he's helping me here. Don't forget to.
Oh, that's looking good there. That's what you call a feed.
Get your votes in,
Get
guys.
your votes in now!
That beats Colin's chicken and noodles and whatever he has. to
Yeah.
cook. Sorry,
Something if it's down to looks alone,
red peppers.
that's the best I've seen.
Oh, yes.
Do you know what I mean? You see getting surrounded with the blanket of potatoes and parsnips and
Yeah.
Yorkshire
Oh,
goodies. It
fantastic.
even beats
And
the
the,
chicken.
and the gravy's still to go on.
Oh, the gravy. Grub. Cheers to the grub.
Ceremonial carving. Oh, that's looking good.
Put the water on, put in the gravy. Or heating the water up to the gravy.
I know I should do, but I'm just going to see that wee bit there.
Alright, go for it. Let's try it.
I think we'll just have a wee taste test right now. Oh, aye.
Take a wee second just to see if that. Oh, make sure it's a bit longer than that.
Oh, it's getting carved up now.
Take the crackling off. Yep. Just try to leave it so it's just meat that's left in here. Or crackling.
that spatula on the floor.
Right.
Who can't?
There's the gravy going on.
It's a bit runny, guys. It should have been a bit thicker, but I thought I'd bring more gravy with me. Do you want some, Colin?
Aye, fire on, Stuart.
How much do you want?
Oh, aye, just
Some runny gravy.
I'll have some of that. Yeah, that not look good. Oh, middle of nowhere. Another
Do you want some
5-star
gravy on
meal.
your stuff?
Oh, lovely.
Bugsey, we'll just pour it on. You want it in the...
Oh yeah. Cream cakes at midnight.
It's 12:30, guys. See if you're watching Carlisle. Is it Carlisle 195? I just put thanks for watching it. I think that annoys people as well, doesn't it? Somebody put once, what was it? My teeth smells or something. And I just put thanks.
Up in the morning. That's the sun coming up. Crack morning this morning. So that's us. Just going to start getting the tent packed up. All the gear away. Don't know whether I'll have a wee brew before I go as well. But good wee night. Pretty late last night before we went to our bed. I don't know, 2, half 2, maybe 3. But good night again. Good wee camp. But looks as if it's going to be a good day. Weather forecast supposed to be sunny day. Right folks, up in the morning. So just going to go a wee walk down to the edge of the loch. Slowly but surely getting packed up. Just got a couple of bits and bobs still to get. Make sure they don't leave any mess. But again, what a crack morning. Sunspot in the sky again. That's what you want. Yeah, what a view. You just can't beat it, can you? The great outdoors. But absolutely great morning. Nice blue sky. Sunshine. That's what it's all about. What fantastic spots. You can even hear there must be somebody on a motorbike or something across the other side up one of those foresty roads, I take it. But another good wee night. So I'm just going to head back up now. Up the wee path to where our camp spot was. But good wee spot this. Right, breakfast time. No fry up, no porridge. Just a big, fat, juicy chocolate cream cake. Can't beat it. Right folks, that's us on the way home. But this is us right down the far end of the loch. So, literally are heading away now. So, we'll be back out again next week. No, there wasn't any roast beef, but that roast pork was pretty good last night. But next week, it's going to be roast beef, roast tatties. So, I reckon that'll be pretty good as well. I'm saying this Dutch oven cooking, pretty good, pretty good. Stuart will try and claim all the fame. It was a joint effort. But get your votes in now, as they say. But this really is another great loch. Great wee spot. As you can see, perfectly blue sky today. Suns are shining. Fantastic. So, give the channel a wee like, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers folks.